यो काजल, hey how you Daya, how are you, how are you? So we are heading towards Nerul MRF showroom. Actually we got too many bulges on our tire, rear tire. So we just need to inspect the tire from the showroom. We can claim any warranty or not. If they said yes, we will replace the tire. If they said no, cannot replace the tire. We need to get some different tire, a new one, brand new one. ऐसा वो बबल आया, थोड़ा घुमाना पड़ेगा। निडल स्टैंड नहीं है, गरम रहेगा थोड़ा। गाड़ी 2017 नवंबर का है, तो इस हिसाब से रहेगा टायर। क्या लिखे 17 है ना, कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है मेरे को अभी। एक बार ले लो आगे, नंबर चेक करने का। हाँ बस छोड़ दो। So we reached here, they did some inspection, they found 2 punctures. Actually there are more punctures. One, like here itself there are 3 punctures. One puncture is there, and I told them there are like 3-4 bulges are there. Like one is here. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see or not. One is here. So initially they were like, no, we don't do, like we'll just allow only 1 or 2 punctures. So luckily I could only show them 2 punctures, so they accepted it. Then they take the gauge and measures how much it was worn out. According to that they gave me this claim details and asked me to pay 2,172 rupees for the new tire. So we're gonna go to the tire showroom, which is like 5 to 10 minutes from here. कुठून जायला रस्ता? इथून इथून जायचं? हां, जा सरळ सर्कल वरून लेफ्ट मारून त्या साईडला जा. त्या साईडला ठीक आहे. चला, थँक्यू. हमारे टायर more tires. क्लेम इधर भी है।
हो गया रख लीजिए। अरे यार तू ही कर ले, तुम लोग करेगा मत कर बेटा।
नया टायर आया रे, नया टायर आया रे। चलो शुक्रिया, थैंक यू।
प्रॉब्लम रहेगा निकाल।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, चलो थैंक यू। नया टायर का ग्रिप एकदम मस्त रहेगा, मक्खन मक्खन। तो दिस इज हाउ वी गेट। मैंने सर्विस सेंटर ने सॉरी शोरूम ओनर से पूछा व्हाट इज़ द रियल कॉस्ट ऑफ द टायर। ही टोल्ड मी दैट इट्स 4,400 रुपीज़ and he took 100 rupees extra for the installation, so it cost me around 2,270 rupees. So like, oh, exactly half. Nice. Hello, thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it,